Welcome, class. Today you're going to determine whether an ordered pair is a solution to an equation, and then given a linear equation, make a table of values. So first, I would like you to add the following to your vocabulary list. So we have linear equation. A linear equation is a two-variable equation whose solutions form a line when graphed on the coordinate plane. So examples that you've probably seen before would be like y equals 2x, or y equals negative x plus 4. So there's two variables, and when you graph them, they make a line. The next term will be solutions to a linear equation, and those are ordered pairs, so like x comma y. When you substitute into an equation, it makes the statement true. So for the equation y equals 2x, we would say that 3 comma 6 is a solution because 3 is x, so 2 times 3 equals, and y is 6. 6 equals 2 times 3 is a true statement. So that's a solution to the equation. And you'll see for the equations in this unit, there are infinite solutions. So here are some examples. Are the following solutions to the equation? So for question A, we have 2x plus 3y equals 30. So we take, let's start with the 9 comma 4. So the 9 is the x and 4 is the y. So 2 times 9 plus 3 times 4. And we want to know, is that equal to 30? So we'll use order of operations. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 4 is 12. 18 plus 12 is indeed 30. So 9 comma 4 is a solution. Now let's try 5 comma 7. So 2 times 5 plus 3 times 7, is that equal to 30? So 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. You add those together. 31 is not equal to 30, so no. And then go ahead and try 15 comma 0. You could pause the video, plug in the numbers, see if it works. And then you get 2 times 15 plus 3 times 0. So that's 30 plus 0 is 30, so it works. So yes, 15 comma 0 is a solution. Now let's come down to B. So here the y is first, so let's try 3 comma 20. So 20 equals 15 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 15 is not equal to 20. 21 is not equal to 20, so this one is no. Let's try 15 comma 0. So the 0 is the y. 0, is that equal to 15 plus 2 times 15? So order of operations. So 0, is that equal to 15 plus 30? No way. So that's a no. Let's try 0 comma 15. So 15, is that equal to 15 plus 2 times 0? And that comes out to 15 equals 15. So 0 comma 15 works. Go ahead and try letters C and D, pause the video, and then check your answers. And here are the answers. So the circled ones are the true answers. And you can check all the work underneath. So now we're going to create our own solutions to some linear equations. And one way that we can come up with some of the solutions is by making a table of values. So for this first equation, y equals x plus 5, let's make a table. And as we've said, okay, so we can use any x value that we want and then see what the corresponding y value would be. So let's just randomly pick -1. So that means we take the -1 and we replace it for the x and then see what the y comes out to. So we have -1 plus 5. Here, I'll write that. -1 plus 5 is 4. So that means the numbers on the right side will always be 5 more than on the left side. So let's pick another random number, 0, and we'll take 0 plus 5, so that's equal to 5. And then let's pick, how about half? So half plus 5 equals, 5.5. And then let's pick 7. Okay, 7 plus 5 will equal 12. So we're just creating pairs of numbers that when plugged into the equation, when substituted, will give you a true answer. Okay, let's make one for part B. And these equations can represent real-life things. For example, maybe this equation says you're buying a pizza. The cheese pizza is $15, and then you're going to pay $2 for each topping, which x would be the topping, number of toppings, and y would be the cost. So let's say you get 5 toppings. So then what would be the cost? So it's 2 times 5, so that's $10 for the toppings, plus 15 is $25. Okay, let's do 2 toppings. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 15 is 19. How about 0 toppings? So that's 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 15 is 15. So that's the cost of the cheese pizza. So that should make sense. And then let's say for whatever reason you decide you want 10 toppings. So 2 times 10 is 20. 20 plus 15 is $35. Now, the equation doesn't have to represent pizza. So let's say we plug in -1. So then 2 times -1 is -2 plus 15 is 13. So here we have 2 more, and I will give you the x values, and then you can plug those in to get the y values. So let's just make up some random numbers. Go ahead and pause the video, find all of the y values, and then check your answers. And here are the solutions. So I've shown all the work here, but keep in mind that you could simply just write the answers in the table. So your homework for this section is to go onto IXL, type in the code D9B, which is called complete a table for a linear function. And the goal is to score 80 points. And successful completion will give you full credit on a homework assignment. For all of these lessons, if you have any questions, you can always email me, gmatesser@nwr7.org. And thank you for listening, and have a great day.